And today, Colty and I are going to be sharing with you a kid's smartphone. And actually, we don't have one of these. We were actually sent two of them so we could show these to you guys to see if they're right for you. We do have a blue one and a pink one. So what we're going to do is we're going to point the camera down. We're going to take a closer look at what you get in the package. And then we're going to look at the camera and see what all is inside the actual camera itself. So let's get to it. All right, so with each camera, you are going to get a booklet. You're going to get the user guide. You're going to get a lanyard, and the lanyard just goes through here, and you can wear it around, your child can wear it around their neck if they choose to. And then you're going to get a USB to USB-C charge cord. All right, so this is what the little phone looks like. It's a completely flat screen with no buttons. You have a power button on one side. You have your speaker. It does have this little phone case. With this being the pink one, it has a castle in the clouds and a unicorn. And you can remove this cover for cleaning. You just tap the button to turn it on, and it is an actual touch screen. And you can see that you have things like camera, photo, video. You have a video player. You have a calculator, a calendar, an alarm, flashlight, timer, stopwatch. You can change the themes. You can play the ABC game. You have your countries. You have reminders, games, daily reminders, paint, story time, all kinds of cool stuff on this. If you want to switch to camera mode, you can just hit it like that. You can see it's on selfie cam, that's me. Or you can flip the camera around and you have a front facing camera. And you can take photos. There's Colty hanging out waiting to play with this phone. And you can it just works a lot like a regular cell phone. Very cool. And then you can just hit the little touch screen down here to go back to home. So as you can see, these little phones are quite fun. Like I'd shown you the pink one that has the unicorn on the back. The blue one has different dinosaurs in the jungle, which is very cool. And it also has the removable cover as well. They're the same, they're just different colors. And on top of the pink and the blue one, they do have a green one and a gray one as well. How cool is that? So these little phones are going to be super cool for your toddlers and your young ones. It's going to give them the sense that they have their own phone. It's going to give them their own device to play games with and to help entertain them. And they're going to feel like big kids, like mom and dad, with their very own cell phone. We hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dad.